Hi everyone, today we continue demonstrating troubleshooting operations for the LED screen signal part. Let's get started. If the indicator light is on, but the screen remains dark, then we need to check the signal output port of the first cabinet. Let's try to move this network cable from signal input port to output port. Take a look at the signal indicators. Fast alternating flashes of red and green mean the signal output works well. Slow alternating blinking indicates a faulty signal output. If the signal output is normal, then we try to replace this network cable between two cabinets. After we replaced this network cable, we can check the indicator light at the second cabinet to see if it's normal. Or we can just go to the front side to see if the screen is lighting up. If the signal output is confirmed faulty, the malfunction may come from one of the following four components: hub card, receiving card, signal output port, and the network cable connecting the hub card to the output port. We need to remove the power supply box, replace these parts, and troubleshoot them one by one. Please note, after replacing each component, reinstall the power supply box back into the cabinet, then check if the subsequent screens light up normally. Repeat this process until the faulty component is identified.
Replace the receiving card. Put back the power supply box and test. Replace the hub card A. Put back the power supply box and test. Replace cable between hub card and output port. Put back the power supply box and test. Replace the output port. Assemble all the components back. Put back the power supply box and test.
If we found that the screen still doesn't work, then it may be a problem of the signal input of the second cabinet. Therefore, we need to remove the power supply box of the second cabinet. Then troubleshoot the following four components one by one. The operation steps are the same as those for the first cabinet. After troubleshooting all the mentioned components, the issue of the screen not lighting up can basically be resolved. Thanks for watching.